When it comes to boosting the value of your home in Lexington, the importance of window installation cannot be overlooked. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply looking to make a worthwhile investment, replacing or installing new windows offers numerous benefits that can enhance the overall value of your property. From improved curb appeal to increased energy efficiency, the impact of window installation is undeniable. Curb appeal and first impressions. One of the most significant ways window installation can boost your home's value is by improving its curb appeal. When potential buyers pull up to your property, the first thing they notice is the exterior, and windows are one of the key features that catch their eye. Outdated or worn-out windows can make your home look older and less appealing, which could drive prospective buyers away. On the other hand, new, stylish windows give the home a fresh and modern look, making it more attractive from the street. In a city like Lexington, where traditional architecture and contemporary design both thrive, new windows can complement the existing style of your home while also adding a touch of modernity. Installing energy-efficient windows or custom-made options can reflect the care and attention you put into your property, making it stand out in the competitive real estate market. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Energy efficiency is another major reason why window installation can have a significant impact on your home's value. Lexington homeowners, like many across the country, are increasingly concerned with energy consumption and utility bills. Older windows tend to have poor insulation, leading to air leaks and heat loss during the winter months, and excessive heat gain during the summer. This can cause your HVAC system to work overtime, leading to higher energy costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can significantly reduce your energy bills. Many modern windows are designed with double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills that provide superior insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable year-round. Not only will this help you save money on heating and cooling, but it will also make your home more attractive to eco-conscious buyers, further increasing its market value. Noise reduction. Living in a busy neighborhood or near major roads in Lexington can mean dealing with a significant amount of outside noise. This constant sound pollution can affect your comfort and well-being, and it can also detract from the peaceful ambiance you've worked to create in your home. New window installation can help with this issue by offering noise-reducing features, especially if you opt for windows with double or triple glazing. These types of windows can significantly reduce the amount of sound that enters your home, creating a quieter and more tranquil environment. This improvement is not just an aesthetic upgrade, it adds to the overall livability of your home, which can be a major selling point for prospective buyers. A quieter home is often associated with a higher quality of life, and buyers will be willing to pay more for a home that provides this added comfort. Maintenance and longevity. Another key consideration when installing new windows is the long-term maintenance and durability of the materials. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, such as repainting, recaulking, or replacing worn-out weather stripping. These tasks can be time-consuming and expensive, adding to the overall upkeep of your home. In contrast, modern windows are designed to be low maintenance, with features like vinyl frames that don't need to be painted and offer better resistance to the elements. The durability of new windows also means that they can last for many years without needing significant repairs. For homebuyers, this is a major selling point. They can move in knowing that the windows won't need replacing for a long time, saving them money and hassle down the road. Conclusion: installing new windows in your Lexington home is a smart investment that can pay off in numerous ways. Not only do they improve the curb appeal and aesthetic value of your property, but they also enhance energy efficiency, reduce noise, and decrease long-term maintenance costs. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more comfortable and energy-efficient living space, window installation is a powerful tool in boosting your home's value. When it comes to making a lasting impact on both your home's appearance and functionality, new windows are a smart choice.